Hey guys, this is Evan Harlow with Coldwell Banker Island Properties on Maui, and today I'm going to share a little bit about Maui property tax rates. What we're looking at with the new changes to the Maui property tax rates as of July 1st, 2020 through June of 2021. There's a new tier system that's in place for residential properties. So Maui County does classify property tax rates based on the property's highest and best use using the cost and market comparison model. Basically what this means is that we look at if the property is owner occupied or not, if it's being used for short-term rentals, if it's being used for farming, if it's being used for business, and approach the value from there. So beginning with the residential property tax rates, on the first tier of owner-occupied property tax rates, we're looking at properties that are valued up to $800,000, and for those properties, you'd be paying $2.51 per $1,000 of assessed value. Now, the second tier for owner-occupied residential is $801,000 to $1.5 million, and there we're paying $2.56 per $1,000 of assessed value, and the highest tier being $1.5 million and up of net assessed value, and there you're paying $2.61. So pretty good deal for owner occupants here on Maui, saving money on property taxes. Now for a second home or a third home, or for a rental in residential, you pay a little bit more. It's a little bit more than double what it is owner occupied, and you don't get any exemptions there. So up to $800,000 of tax assessed value, you'd be paying $5.45 for every thousand. 801 to 1.5 million, we're paying $6.05, and $1.5 million and up in assessed value, paying $6.90 per thousand. For commercial real estate, we're paying $6.29 per $1,000 of assessed value. For agricultural, about the same, $5.94 per $1,000. And the highest rate coming with short-term rental properties, such as those short-term rentable condos, condotels. You pay a little bit more to have the opportunity to generate some income with those, and that comes in at $11.08 per $1,000 of assessed value. Now, a big thing for owner occupants, you can get a $200,000 homeowners exemption. So, for example, if you bought a home for $750,000 sales price, the county might only assess it, the land and the improvements, for around $580,000 or $600,000, and then from there you can deduct another $200,000 if it's your primary residence, and you're only getting taxed on that $400,000 number, and that makes it pretty affordable. So property tax is not too bad in Hawaii if you're living in the residence owner occupied. Now, these are the numbers for Maui, and don't represent the other islands. They all have their own rates. But hopefully that helps answer some of your questions about property taxes on Maui. I'd be happy to answer any of your other questions about real estate on Maui in general. So check down in the show notes if you'd like to reference any of these numbers. I'll have the property tax rates down there. Also a link to my website where you can read a little bit more about Maui property taxes, and you can search property. So if you see a property on my website that you do like, you're interested in, and you'd like to talk about, just put your information on there. Send me an email, give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever method of communication you prefer. I'm happy to answer any questions. It's never too soon to start talking about a property, and I'm happy to answer any questions about real estate on Maui or moving to Maui in general. So aloha.